I'm spinning like a diamond. I'm spinning like a like a diamond. I'm spinning like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. What if I fall? I'm gonna die. I don't know. Pandora.
That's when I decided to be a nanny. Over time, I started growing
I'm just spinning.
in a way that I didn't anticipate. She felt less like some kid I was nannying and more like my own. That's why it drove me so crazy when you guys would try to tell me how to parent her. So you think that's why you became $10,000?
Like I'm literally
Shoes with kisses.
not even
Feel my life on my
holding it. I guess I thought he was gonna fall.
Your daughter. She's more my daughter than she is yours.
You are just her name. You're her name. That's it.
I am more than that.